I sold over $1 million in 106 days with my $97 course, and this is the story of exactly how I did it. And if you stick to the end, I'll show you the exact launch strategy of how you can do the same. What's up, everybody? It's Adrian Brambila here. I never thought I would ever get this award because I never wanted to teach how to start a business and how to make money online. I always thought it was a super shady and disgusting industry. And I basically have this award because I changed my mind. I was living in my van, peacefully, happily, driving around the country, making money online as an affiliate marketer. And when TikTok came out, people could not register the fact that someone who makes over 7 figures a year also lives in a van. And that combination, I didn't mean to do it, but it ended up becoming a winning combo for constantly going viral because I would transparently show, hey, I made lots of money this month. I made 50K this month. And I would show that. And then living in a van, people would wonder, like, why do you live in a van? This seem fake. And then I got really popular on TikTok. And if you were someone who actually watched one of my TikToks, comment below because I love people who come here on YouTube. But then I noticed something I did not like. I noticed that people liked the fact that I did affiliate marketing and they wanted to learn affiliate marketing. I would say, I'm sorry, I don't have a course. But then they would navigate to a different program, which I was not affiliated with. And then their first impression of learning about affiliate marketing ended up being pretty fishy. I don't want to say it was a scam, but I will say what they were buying and what was promised was totally not fair. And so then people will get inspired by my content and then purchase a terrible program and then get a really bad taste about affiliate marketing and then would go back to me and say, Adrian, I tried what you do affiliate marketing and I think it's terrible. And I was like, whoa. I'm not responsible for someone else's course. I'm glad you're getting inspired from me. But then I noticed something else happening, which then really ticked me off. People would actually duet my videos and say, if you want to learn how to make money like Adrian, buy this course. And the course was called Legendary Marketer. This really pissed me off because then people were using my honest, authentic content and then repositioning it to say, if you want to learn how Adrian does it, buy this other course, which I have never endorsed, and I've actually gone through it, and it's terrible. That's when I finally had enough, because now I felt like I was being used as some marketing ploy in some other program, which was a disservice to people. Then I was driving in Sedona, and I finally got the idea of just, you know what, I'm tired of this. I'm gonna hit up someone I know. His name's Don Bavaro, who's a big advocate of this other program. And I'm just gonna flat out ask him, hey, I think I'm ready to finally launch a program. Would you help me? I called him up. He said it's very audacious, hesitant to basically challenge, you can call it the Walmart of affiliate marketing, the big dog on TikTok, which was Legendary Marketing. And I said, I'm just ready. I'm tired of this. I want to bring back authenticity because what I felt affiliate marketing was happening, it was kind of turning into a pyramid scheme. It was turning into a multi-level marketing thing. And it was kind of really disappointing that people would think that I was an affiliate marketing, AKA a pyramid scheme, because their representation of it was so bad from this other company. By me making this video, I basically caused a war. I started to get lots of hate and enemies and it makes sense. If I'm saying that this program, Legendary Marketer, is garbage and that the people promote it and what they do, their tactics are garbage, then I'm threatening potentially the livelihood of these other people. I understand why they got pissed. You don't want someone like me, the top leading influencer in affiliate marketing on TikTok, saying that you should not promote this program and it's bad and it's terrible and then integrity is awful, because then that jeopardizes their income, their livelihood. I caused enemies day one when I started doing stuff like this. It's people like this, which is why I'm creating my new affiliate program. These people have diluted affiliate marketing to be some big circle jerk. So this guy shows he made $1,600 in a day, congratulations, selling courses, white guides in training, aka more courses, software, I don't know what the software is, hopefully it's not courses, and then other tools to help affiliates, aka more courses. And then you can click the link in his bio so that you could be an affiliate and do the exact same thing, helping other people be affiliates. One big circle jerk. I sell software, I sell courses, but that's a small percentage. Most of how I make money is actually doing real affiliate marketing. I can sell anything. I never wanted to make a competing product against Legendary Marketer, but I'm tired of seeing this stuff. I'm going to teach real affiliate marketing for digital and physical products and teach you how to diversify your revenue. Stay tuned. Welcome to the big leagues. But I didn't stop there. Then I made this video. So the program I'm creating that's going to compete with Legendary Marketer is, sorry to say, not going to be for everyone. I need to make sure it remains authentic. Authentic as my content, authentic as the way I do affiliate marketing, all white hat. I have a very replicable strategy that allows me to promote 400 different companies, of which 80% are physical products and 20% are informational. If you want to be an affiliate for my stuff, you're going to have to go through a sort of audition or a tryout. I'm not going to let anyone, no matter how big their following is, just go and promote this new awesome program. Every person is going to have to actually make money outside of promoting my stuff before they can, using the lessons in the course. I need that. And with my first beta super team, I feel like I'm going to be building the future of the Make Money Online space leaders. I need them to be legit, diversified, and authentic. Then they can promote my course and help the world and make a lot of money too. So when I posted this video, the hate basically doubled and tripled because all these other people who are promoting Legendary Marketer, they thought, oh great, well Adrian's going to make a better program and I'll just promote his instead. But then I did two things in this video which really started to disrupt the industry. I said, one, I'm going to limit it. Not everyone's going to be allowed to promote. And I basically only selected 100 people. So now it was competing for spots. But then I said, two, I'm not going to let, it doesn't matter how many followers you have to actually make money online without promoting courses on how to make money online. I was getting comments like this. I fell for the Legendary Marketer and filled $300 without seeing a single instance of income back. And now I'm looking for something real. And this, thank effing God. I've been saying this shit to LM affiliates on TikTok for months. Every time they talk back to me like I'm an idiot. And this, when I ask those people who promote Legendary Marketer if they earn any money by promoting other things than that course, nobody wants to respond. Seriously. You are my favorite affiliate marketer, no BS. You're always honest and transparent. I can't wait to take your course. That's the word I was looking for about how some people make money in affiliate marketing in some circle jerk. Finally, someone speaking out the truth. Yes, that's why I was kind of disappointed with Legendary Marketer. I want to be able to promote physical products and all. I keep asking content creators, isn't everyone just promoting the course they just took? What about actual affiliate marketing? Thank you. Because that's the whole problem of the industry, is that no one is actually doing the real work. They're just regurgitating a course to make money from the course, and the people learn what they're doing and then they promote a course on how to make money. And everyone's just repeating that same process without actually doing the work. And here I am, one of the only true, pure affiliate marketers who sells over 500 different things and products, mostly physical and digital online, saying you gotta be legit. And so doing this really started getting hate every single day. People were trying to disrupt me. I was getting videos like this. I'm one of the top affiliate marketers on TikTok.
Hey, that's great and all, but who are you gonna trust? A company who's helped over 300,000 entrepreneurs have been featured in Forbes, or a person who lives
in a van down by the river?
So these people who were promoting Legendary Marketer that was threatening, they tried to discredit me in any way possible. And so obviously I lived in a van, and that was the biggest thing that they could think of. Adrian lives in a van, how you can trust him? It's crazy how shallow people are and the depths they'll go to when they feel threatened and called out that the BS business scheme they're promoting, there's finally a guy out there that's willing to put his reputation on the line and say these guys are bad.
Okay, Brambila Method versus Legendary Marketer, part 2. Now, there's this silly narrative going around that people are mad that Legendary Marketer sells a course. Now, I might be losing my mind or going a little crazy, but that's what the fuck they do.
Basically, they tried to take me down, but it obviously didn't work. So at last, let's fast forward to where I finally started creating the Brambila Method, my program, and I started recruiting 100 people. One thing I thought that really made a difference is that I let all the 100 people of my affiliates go through the program first, and then I needed a 100% unanimous vote to say, do you believe this program can actually help people make money online without obviously promoting the course, because they actually couldn't, but through the lessons. And I needed every single one of those people to say yes.
Well, this is an interesting comment. I'm very curious as to where you heard that from. But in any event, let's talk about it. It's definitely not fake. This is the website.
Day one of the Brambila Method is all about freelancing on Fiverr.
Adrian is as humble and legit as anyone I've ever met in this online world.
I'm watching day one of the Brambila Method, Adrian's new course. And I'll tell you what, from the first video on the first section of the first day of the challenge, I now have a plan to go make $400.
Of me watching the Brambila Method training. Wait, what?
At first they said no, I had to adjust the course, and then they finally said yes. Don Bavaro, who was my affiliate manager, did a great job managing the affiliates, and my main focus was basically to make customers happy. With that combination, we finally launched, but it came with massive drama. This entire time as we're promoting, we're getting more hate, more disgusting, terrible comments from people. And basically it's all because of Legendary Marketer, because now we're the new competition on the block, and the really bad affiliates for Legendary Marketer, I didn't allow them to be part of the Brambila Method. I basically kept a high class caliber of affiliates, and those people had to basically prove that they made money online authentically, legit, and that they were just good people. But at last, I started to come down to the final days of launch and made some content like this. We finally launched. I could not say thank you enough to Don Bavaro, to the 100 affiliates, for all of that you did, for putting your trust into the program. And I couldn't believe that in the first 2 weeks, we did $425,000. And of course, 35% of that for every person that brought in a sale, the affiliate commission was sent to them. It's amazing. I could not have done this on my own. Don Bavaro, my right-hand man, and the 100 affiliates. I want to include the information to every single one of my Rockstar affiliates in the info box below. I feel like you guys are family. And I think, looking back on the journey now, the mistakes I made, and the mistakes I still feel like I'm making, my number one concern when creating this program, my top priority is the customer. My job is to make sure that when someone puts their trust into basically purchasing, taking out their wallet, that $97, to take that action of trust is big, especially when you buy a course that's going to teach you how to make money online, because there's so many bad ones. My main concern from day one is basically make sure that customer is happy, that they're learning, they're getting entertained and educated, and that it works. And we have hundreds, just kidding, thousands of testimonials of people who've made money with the Brambila Method. My mistakes and ways I can improve is to try to continue to make this a better offer for affiliates, because I have really happy customers, and in terms of getting affiliates that make money, I need to get better at that. We've had affiliates that have made tens of thousands of dollars. A lot of affiliates made thousands of dollars, but I know that other programs that don't have as good as a quality of program, they're better at making money with their affiliates. I am better at making the customer happy, and that's one way I need to improve, because once we figure out both those formulas to keep the customer happy and make our affiliates happy, it's going to go to the moon. So this award is not me. It's basically a representation of marketing, strategy, TikTok. We didn't run any ads. Most importantly, the people that were part of it, Don Bavaro, my right-hand man, and all the affiliates, which are listed below. Thank you so much. It's just the beginning, and this is probably super new, but in the last month, we finally released the hold of just 100 affiliates, and now we are accepting affiliates. So if you feel like your journey, whether it has been long or short, you feel like you could be a good part of the team for the Brambila Method, there's going to be a link below where you can apply to be an affiliate. I will note, it does not matter how many followers you have, we still are mostly measuring the authenticity of the type of person you are, how you promote things, because integrity matters the most, especially in this make money online space. If you have any questions or thoughts, please comment below. If you've purchased the Brambila Method, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. I hope it is the best investment you've ever made. Otherwise, I want to say thanks for watching. This is Adrian. Peace and God bless.